Hello, my dear friends. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects so many of us as we get older, those achy, swollen joints that make every step feel like a challenge. If you're dealing with knee swelling, joints that hurt, or legs that just don't feel as strong as they used to, I have some wonderful news to share with you. You see, what's happening is that your body is rapidly losing collagen. And here's something that might surprise you. By the time we reach age 65, our bodies are producing less than half the collagen we actually need. Every single stride you take puts strain on your joints, and without enough collagen, that strain becomes pain, stiffness, and swelling. But here's what 99% of seniors don't know. Simple, everyday foods can help restore that precious collagen your body is crying out for. Recent research has shown us something truly remarkable. Certain foods that are naturally rich in collagen can do more than just slow down the deterioration of your joints. In just 8 weeks, these foods can reduce leg swelling by up to 47%, increase your mobility, and actually reverse inflammation. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 8 collagen-rich foods that can help reduce swelling, mend your joints, and strengthen your legs. I've arranged them from least to most effective, and I promise you'll be surprised by number 1. It's a food that contains 61% more collagen than anything else on the planet, yet most seniors have never even tried it. Before we begin this journey together, I'd love to know, how old are you? Please share your age in the comments section. I read every single comment and love connecting with each of you. Food number 8, egg yolks, your daily collagen builder. Let's start with something simple that you probably already have in your refrigerator, eggs. But here's the key, it's the yolks that hold the magic for your joints. Most people don't realize that egg yolks are a powerful food for building collagen from within. While egg whites are certainly high in protein, the yolks contain the real connective tissue stimulants, biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. Now, egg yolks don't directly provide collagen, but these nutrients help your body produce collagen more effectively. Think of sulfur as the construction manager for collagen. It helps create the amino acid chains that give collagen its structure. Without enough sulfur, your body produces collagen much more slowly, which shows up as weakened ligaments, painful joints, and that frustrating leg swelling that comes from fluid seeping through damaged tissues. A fascinating study from 2020 followed people with minor joint stiffness who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 days a week. After just 10 weeks, participants reported a 22% decrease in joint pain, especially in their lower back and knees. Blood tests showed something even more impressive: decreased C-reactive protein, which is a crucial sign of inflammation throughout the body, and increased collagen synthesis. The best part? People over 60 who needed it most showed the most noticeable results. To get the maximum benefits, eat your eggs with the yolks soft-cooked, not scrambled until they're dry. When you poach them, soft-boil them, or gently fry them in olive oil, you preserve those precious sulfur compounds and maintain the nutritional profile of the yolk. Please don't separate the yolks or limit yourself to just the whites. The yolk contains all the essential cofactors needed to create collagen. And here's something to put your mind at ease. Current research shows that whole eggs don't cause dangerously high cholesterol levels in most seniors. In fact, they may help maintain HDL, which is the protective form of cholesterol. Food number 7, pumpkin seeds, small but mighty joint protectors. Don't let their small size fool you. Pumpkin seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to joint repair and collagen formation. These little seeds don't contain collagen itself, but they're loaded with trace minerals that your body absolutely needs to create collagen from scratch. The real heroes in pumpkin seeds are zinc, manganese, and magnesium. Zinc is essential for the enzymes that kickstart collagen synthesis. Manganese promotes the strength and flexibility of your connective tissue, and magnesium helps with muscle function while reducing inflammation. Together, these nutrients give your body exactly what it needs to repair cartilage, replace joint lining, and strengthen those weak ligaments that cause wobbling and swelling in your ankles and knees. A clinical trial published in 2021 followed older adults who ate just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds every day for 8 weeks. The results were remarkable. Participants experienced a 19% decrease in lower leg and foot swelling and a 27% increase in joint flexibility. Blood tests revealed significant improvements in oxidative stress indicators and collagen precursors. The best outcomes were seen in participants over 65 who had been dealing with daily stiffness and difficulty moving around. For the best results, enjoy your pumpkin seeds dry, roasted, or raw, without any extra salt or oil. Here's a helpful tip: soak them overnight in water with a dash of sea salt. This reduces phytic acid, a substance that can prevent nutrient absorption. After soaking, you can dry them or lightly roast them for a nice crunch. You can also grind them up and add them to smoothies or oatmeal. Food number 6. Canned salmon with bones. Hidden treasure for your joints. This might surprise you, but canned salmon with bones is one of the most underappreciated collagen-rich foods, especially if you're trying to strengthen your joints and prevent swelling. Those soft, edible bones contain natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, all essential for repairing cartilage and strengthening the structural matrix around your joints. Most people throw away the bones or don't realize they're edible, but that's where the real healing potential lies. A study from 2020 found that seniors who ate 3 servings of salmon with bones each week experienced a 21% decrease in inflammation indicators and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility over 10 weeks. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids and collagen peptides from the salmon reduced swelling while encouraging cellular production of new collagen. When shopping, select wild-caught canned salmon that specifically says it contains bones. Thanks to the canning process, these bones are soft and can be easily mashed with a fork right into the salmon meat. You can add it to salads, mash it into toast with avocado, or stir it into warm grain bowls with herbs and olive oil. The key is eating the meat and bones together. That's how you get the complete nutritional synergy. Food number 5. Chicken skin, your joint's best friend. I know what you're thinking. Chicken skin has been told to us for decades as something to avoid. But here's the truth: it's actually one of the best foods for natural collagen support for older adults. Chicken skin contains type 1 collagen, which is the exact same type found in your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. When you eat chicken skin, your body gets the precise building blocks it needs to restore cushioning tissue, mend joint linings, and combat the inflammation that causes stiffness and swelling. A clinical study found that people over 55 who regularly consume type 1 collagen from poultry sources reported a 40% increase in joint comfort and a 33% decrease in stiffness within 12 weeks. Their ankle swelling decreased, their knees moved more freely, and follow-up imaging showed less cartilage degradation. To maximize the benefits, cook chicken skin slowly and gently. Baking, roasting, or boiling it in broth preserves the collagen content without adding unhealthy fats. Please avoid deep frying, as this can oxidize the oils and cause inflammation. Bone-in pieces with the skin on provide the most nutritious and flavorful combination. Food number 4. Gelatin, direct collagen delivery. Gelatin is essentially cooked collagen that's been extracted from connective tissue, bones, and skin. It's one of the most direct and bioavailable forms of collagen you can give your body. What makes gelatin special is how easily your body can absorb it. It immediately supports your ligaments, tendons, and joints after you consume it. A double-blind study from 2018 tested gelatin supplementation on older adults with joint pain. After just 6 weeks, participants showed a 27% decrease in knee and ankle inflammation, and a 37% increase in joint mobility. MRI images even detected early signs of cartilage thickening, which is uncommon in older adults without surgery. The most remarkable finding was how quickly benefits appeared, often within the first 2 weeks of regular use. Choose unflavored, Grass-fed gelatin powder that's free from artificial chemicals and added sugar. Stir it into warm water, tea, or bone broth until it's completely dissolved. You can also use it to thicken soups and stews, or make your own collagen-rich gummies with natural juice. Consistency is crucial. Taking a small amount every day has been shown to help reduce swelling and promote long-term improvements in joint function. Food number 3. Sardines. Small fish, big benefits. When eaten with the skin and bones still on, sardines are a collagen-dense superfood hiding in plain sight. Those soft edible bones are packed with type 1 collagen, calcium, phosphate, and natural gelatin, all the building blocks your joints need to stay strong, supported, and pain-free. The skin contains omega-3 fatty acids and elastin, which work together to reduce joint inflammation and promote healing of injured connective tissue. This makes sardines particularly effective for older adults dealing with leg swelling, stiffness, and aching joints that throb after standing or walking for extended periods. A 2022 study followed seniors who increased their intake of whole sardines to 3 servings per week. By week 8, participants' knee and ankle swelling had decreased by 25%, their joint pain levels had decreased by 29%, and their blood samples showed improved collagen production indicators. The effect was most pronounced in those over 65 with early signs of arthritis. Select canned sardines packed in water or olive oil, not soybean oil or thick sauces that lower the nutritional value. Make sure the skin and bones are still intact. They're the best sources of calcium and collagen. You can mash them into avocado toast, toss them into rice bowls, or add them to salads with lemon and herbs. Food number 2. Bone broth. Liquid collagen therapy. Bone broth isn't just a warm, comforting dish. It's liquid collagen therapy. When bones are simmered for extended periods, they release gelatin, type 1, and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and a variety of other joint-repairing elements that specifically address inflammation, stiffness, and connective tissue degradation. For seniors, particularly those with tight, creaking knees or persistent leg swelling, bone broth offers some of the quickest, most absorbable collagen support available in food form. It doesn't just relieve symptoms, it strengthens the tissue matrix that holds your joints together. A randomized trial from 2021 found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth every day for 12 weeks saw a 44% decrease in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Ultrasound imaging confirmed the internal healing effect, revealing increased cartilage thickness in the knee joint. To make your own, simmer bones with lots of connective tissue, like beef knuckles, turkey necks, or chicken backs, with herbs, apple cider vinegar, onion, and garlic for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps draw minerals from the bones into the broth. If making your own isn't practical, look for frozen or refrigerated bone broths that are free from preservatives and additives. Food number 1. Beef tendons. Nature's collagen powerhouse. Now we've reached the champion, and beef tendons. Despite their unglamorous name, tendons are the most collagen-dense food you can consume. This is especially true if you want to reverse joint pain, reduce swelling, and restore structural strength in your legs and knees. Tendons are made up almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same type found in your skin, ligaments, and bones. When cooked properly, they release gelatin and powerful peptides that directly target aging connective tissues. No supplement can compare to the benefits of tendon collagen for seniors with persistent joint stiffness or fluid accumulation in the lower legs. A clinical trial from 2022 followed participants over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times a week. They demonstrated improved walking stability, a 41% decrease in knee stiffness, and a 63% improvement in joint fluid density compared to the placebo group. MRI imaging confirmed regeneration of the soft tissue cushioning around key joints. Most remarkably, the majority of participants saw benefits in less than 30 days. The best way to prepare beef tendons is to slow cook them until all the collagen is released. Simmer them in broth for 8 to 12 hours until they become soft, chewable, and jelly-like. You can prepare them with rice, vinegar, ginger, and garlic to improve taste and digestion. Once soft, dice them and add them to noodle bowls, stews, or soups. Your path forward. There you have it, my friends. 8 real foods that can strengthen your legs, heal your joints, and eliminate that painful swelling from the inside out. No medications, no tricks, just real, tested nourishment that's naturally high in collagen. Remember, your body is constantly trying to restore and heal itself. All you need to do is provide it with the right fuel. These foods aren't just about managing symptoms, to salve. They're about giving your body what it needs to rebuild, restore, and rejuvenate those precious joints that keep you moving. Which of these foods are you going to add to your meals this week? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Remember, I read and respond to every single comment. Your legs deserve another chance at feeling strong and pain-free, and you're certainly not finished yet. With these collagen-rich foods as your allies, you can start your journey back to better mobility, less pain, and more comfortable days. Take it one meal at a time, be patient with your body, and trust in its amazing ability to heal when given the right nutrition. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, it's never too late to start nourishing your joints back to health.